Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This morning I got another easy, delicious recipe for you. And it is a Watergate salad. That's a Watergate salad. And it's easy to make. And it's delicious anytime. But it's a especially easy, good dish for the holidays. Especially when you want to, you're having guests over, having a little party or something, and you want something nice and fruity. Okay, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need for this in Watergate salad. And then I'm going to go off and get the ingredients ready. And then I'm going to come back and show you how easy it is. Easy as it is to mix up. Okay, first off, you're going to need, I think this is 3.4 box of pistachio instant pudding. Make sure it's instant. That's a box of that, small box of that pistachio instant pudding. You're gonna need a 20 ounce can of crushed pineapples. 20 ounce can of crushed pineapples. Okay. You're gonna need a half a cup of nuts. This is some walnuts, but you can use pecan. Pecans is good in it also, but I like walnuts in it, so that's the reason I got the walnuts. So that's a half a cup of walnuts, and this is a half a cup. Is I'm holding it right?
Yes.
A half a cup of coconut, and you can use whatever brand of coconut that you prefer. And then this is 1 cup of the miniature marshmallows. 1 cup of miniature marshmallows. Sometimes I add more in there if needed. You'll see when I'm mixing up. I don't know if I will, but normally I do. Sometimes I add more. And then you're going to need this here. I think it's 8 ounce container of Cool Whip topping. 8 ounce container whip topping. And that's all you're going to need for this dish. That was what? 6 ingredients. And I tell you, it's a delicious salad. I'm gonna have my husband to come around and just take a minute and go over these ingredients so you can see them well. You have to write it down, or either you can just go back and review the video until I start listing the ingredients over in the description section. But until I do that, you can just have to go back and review the video, or either send me an email to to ask me a question about something that you didn't understand. And I do not check my emails every day, but whenever I get back to the email, I always answer my emails. So can you step around here, Tuck, and get in front of it and get a shot of all the ingredients? He gonna get this shot, and then I'm gonna go off and get my mixing bowl and come back and show you how to mix it. Got it. Got it. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, we're back. So let me show you just how easy it is to make this, to mix up this here Watergate salad. Okay, I'm gonna put the crushed pineapples in first. You put it in with the juice and all. You use the juice with it. And then And this is the way I do it. And if you don't do it in this order, I don't know. I never did it any kind of way, but I wouldn't see all you have to do it. Just it'll be take a little bit more till you mix it. And then I'm gonna take that 1 pack of pistachio pudding. And I kind of spread it around in there just for easy. This for easy mixing. Just sprinkle it around. This is one thing that I always have mixed it in this order. And then after that, everything else just mixed in. And I always get it mixed in real good. You guys, this Caesar salad used to be real popular at a church function. If you ain't never had one before, that's probably where you seen it at. If you went to church a lot, very popular at church functions. And that color is so pretty. And I'll probably do some just to be doing something, but you know, you can decorate it the way you want to. When I take it out, I usually stick some cherries, maraschino cherries, if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Oh well. Put some on the top of it just for decoration. Sometimes I may put a little ground nuts on it. Okay, when you get that mixed up, then like I say, just go ahead on and start adding the rest of the ingredients. But the last thing you're going to put in there is the that whipped topping. You fold that in there. But I'll do it this way so to make sure it's well mixed. And it's going to start to thicken up. Go ahead on and add my nuts. Now you can put your nuts in. Now this is just something I do because sometimes when I take it out, I don't grind my nuts up like this. But I love them ground up like this. I put them in just have my nuts chopped. And like I say, you can also use pecans in that. Pecan is good in it too. But I just put the walnuts in this. Can you see over in the bowl?
Yes, I see.
Okay, go in with your miniature marshmallows. You know, I have fixed and prepared some, and I put them little miniature marshmallows with the different colors, different flavors, just to try something. You know, I always encourage y'all to be trying something this good like that. Okay, I'm just gonna add just a few more, but you just add just 1 cup. But I'm fixing this for myself, so ooh, I didn't add that many more, but that's okay too. No biggie. For somebody that don't like marshmallows, they don't do that. But I happen to like marshmallows. I'll just eat them like it is and make a dessert out of them. That's the reason I added that little extra. But you can stick to your 1 cup. Okay. Go ahead on and fold my Cool Whip in there. Sometimes I may use a little extra because it seems like they done cut down on everything. This container right here to me used to be bigger than what it is. I know it for a fact. I don't care what they tell me. I've been using that stuff for years. It used to be more Cool Whip in a container than what it is now. What you think some of you cooks out there that they used to use Cool Whip and stuff 20, 30, 40 years ago? What you think? Don't y'all think it used to be more than that in that container? That they cut down on that container? Now you're going to have to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for 2 to 3 hours and stuff before you eat it. So that's when I'm not going to serve you up a dish of that. Ooh, my hands. Let me dry my hands off. I usually try to keep me a paper towel over here so I can do that. I had some little whipped topping on there. You see how I'm just keep turning it over? Folding it in. That's what you call folding. Just keep flipping it over in there. Until you got everything blended up in there, mixed well together. That's determine how long you fold. So you're no longer seeing just that white Cool Whip up there. I always thought this was such a beautiful color. The way those pistachios turn it green. I thought I heard something. Wasn't nobody at the door with the tub.
I didn't hear anything.
Got my bowl. You gotta put it in a container that have a cover to it, or either cover it with, you can put it in Tupperware or whatever, but that has a lid, or if not, put plastic wrap or either aluminum foil over it. Making a mess. And that's all good, you guys. And listen, if you let me get that up for it be every which way. Put that in the garbage. If you need to make a larger amount of it, you just kind of, double your recipe. Because most of the time when I, take it out, I don't double the recipe. And they'll be like, oh, that salad. I mean, people love it. And I sometimes, according to what type of gathering I take it to, I would go ahead on it and double the recipe. Okay, I'm going to show you inside of the bowl. And then, when you see the thumbnail, you're going to see some cherries on top of it, because I'm going to try to make it look pretty for the thumbnails. And for the haters to say, I'd have had, if I get all that stuff off the side of the Gary. Huh?
That look like all of it.
Okay, let me get another paper towel. And to the person that sent me the email and asked me would I please do a if I had a recipe for a Watergate salad to, you know, to send it, you know, do it for them or send it to them. This is it. And I made sure my husband had the ingredients out so you can easily understand them. But this is it. This is what it looked like. I don't want to turn it out. Here I go. Ugh. Is it in there?
Yes.
I have my husband to come over here and let you kind of look in the bowl, and then because I want to keep the bowl looking kind of nice. And like I told you, when you see them thumbnails, you're gonna see. I think I got some cherries in the refrigerator. I'm not gonna grate any nuts and put on it because the amount of nuts that I put in them is enough for me. And you know, nuts is gonna got so expensive. You just don't overuse those. Okay, I really appreciate you guys watching my video. If you like this recipe, thumbs it up. And if you ever had a Watergate salad before, let me know, you guys. Let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed and you like my channel, subscribe to it. Hit that notification button. Bell. Now hit that notification. I always see button. Hit that notification bell to be notified. And like I say, this will be a good salad for the holidays. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, this is the Watergate salad. And don't forget to chill about 2 to 3 hours. And this is kept in the refrigerator. I know you guys know that, but bye again.